What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Xbox Elite Series 2. So let's get right into it. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. Again, this is the Xbox Elite Series 2 we have here. I finally picked this up. I'm going to try it out, see if I like it. I know it's been out for a long time, but I just wanted to go ahead and unbox it for you here today. It's still got the seals on there, as you can see, so we're going to go ahead and remove those. You love it when there's just nice little tabs here. You can kind of just pull straight off. You don't have to get an X-Acto knife or anything out. Let's go ahead and put this here. And that kind of just slides right off. Super nice packaging. This is my first impression. When you're seeing it, I'm seeing it first as well. So it comes in this nice kind of carrying case, and then this kind of harder plastic bottom. I believe there's probably some components in here. There's this little box right here. Let's see what that is. So this looks like a kind of braided cable. Obviously, this either utilizes battery or yeah, so that's going to go ahead and be the braided cable there. Yeah, so in this box, it's just a little braided cable. I probably will be using this just because I game on the PC and I want the fastest connection possible. So it's definitely nice that they provide that. And it looks like a decent distance. I don't know the exact measurement. Probably a couple feet, hopefully maybe 6 feet. But this is definitely nice to, if you're doing on PC, you can connect that and have that hard connection. Or if you're playing on your Xbox Series X, you could just use the Bluetooth connection, but it's nice that they provide that in there. So here we have the actual controller itself. It comes in this nice little case here. From my understanding, there's a little charging port right here. So if you're traveling or anything like that, or doing anything competitively, this is really nice to have. So you can just plug that right in with this as well, because it has the USB right there. And then you plug this smaller end right here into the back. Which is a really nice feature. One of the features that kind of sold me. I don't know how much traveling I'm going to be doing with this, but if I ever do, then it's nice to kind of have that. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow. Yeah. I mean, everything that I saw and what people told me, it was super nice, kind of quality, super high quality hard shell case, as well as the controller right here. And this is just kind of an initial reaction to it. Wow. It seems a little smaller than the controller that just, the kind of basic controller. It's like $50, $60. It seems a little smaller, but it feels incredible. The grip's nice. Obviously, I'll be doing like a full review later. This is kind of more just an unboxing. But it feels really high quality. I mean, obviously for the price, you would hope for high quality, but initial reaction that it feels really, really good. And then what else you have in here? Let's see what this is. So I believe this is the charging point right here. It has this little cloth kind of thing that you, I guess, pull out. It has a sticky tape on the back. And you kind of just peel that off. And so what this is it kind of just sticks right there. It's magnetized. And then you go ahead and just take the controller like that, I believe. And it kind of sticks in there. And that's how it's charged. So obviously for me, it's going to be plugged in a lot of the time with this cable, so I'm not going to be in the case charging necessarily. But it is nice to have that feature again, like I said, if you're traveling. But this is the controller right here. It's super nice packaging, super simple. Sometimes you have a lot of plastics and stuff in packaging now. But this is super simple. It just gives you exactly what you ordered. This is super hefty, feels super high quality, has this little kind of felt thing on the bottom. And then this little plate where it attaches. And then you have all your attachments. So the beauty of having an Elite Series is you have the joysticks. So you have different kind of extensions. You have like a shorter one. I believe this is a shorter one as well. And then I think this is the tall one. So you can see that's kind of a little bit taller than like what this would be. So if you want your thumb a little higher, then you have the option. This is kind of a tool to kind of adjust things. You can adjust things within like this joystick in here. So there's a lot of customization within this controller. And then obviously if you don't want this kind of flat metal kind of looking D-pad. You have the option is this as well. And it looks like a couple different attachment for different picks maybe, or maybe the paddles is actually what it looks like. So the paddles on the back, which I'll go ahead and show right now. So you can see those paddles there on the back. That's probably what this looks like. Fits in those little slots. So you can probably take those off, and there's all these little adjustments on the side. You can shorten your trigger length and all that kind of stuff. So you can kind of see how short that is, and then when I push it up, it's a lot longer, kind of throw, or whatever you want to call it. So it's super customizable, super high quality now that I'm feeling it in my hands. I was worried about the trigger placement on the back, just because I have bigger hands. I didn't know if it would be too low, but the controller almost just feels smaller in my hand. So it'll be interesting to plug it in, test it out, do a whole nother video of a review. I know it's been out for a while, but maybe you're looking to get into a customized controller. You know, it's 2 years later, but what is it like 2 years later? Is it still an amazing controller to get? So initial thoughts, super high quality. Love the packaging. Not a ton of unboxing to happen, but you got the cable. You've got your carrying case, a nice little net here to kind of hold whatever you want in there. And then the controller. It was pretty simple altogether, which I love. I love the simplicity of that. So again, that was the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. Thanks for watching. It wasn't a ton of unboxing, but honestly, I enjoy that sometimes. Sometimes you get too much of this stuff. You get too much plastic. It was honestly just opening the box and the controller was right there with 2 pull tabs. But I definitely want to unbox this for you guys, and I definitely want to do a review video, so watch out for that. I know it's been 2 years since this thing has come out, and the Elite Series eventually will probably come out, probably next year. But I just haven't pulled the trigger, so maybe I do the review video, and maybe you pull the trigger as well. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Kyle, and I will see you in the next video.